Hi guys, today I am showing that Windows 10 is providing free video editor. If you want this free video editor, then open About PC on your device. After selecting, here you can see the Windows version. If the Windows version is about 1803, this free Windows free video editor will be provided. If it is less than 1803, you want to upgrade your Windows version. And then coming back to our video, search for video editor. Here you can see all my videos. And then now I am showing how the features of this video editor. Here you can give the video name and then OK and add the clips which you want to edit. To edit a video, you want to drag and drop here. And here you can see add a title card, trim, split, text, motion, 3D effects, filters, speed. And here also the background music, custom audio. By using this title card, you can add a title card to this clip. Now I am showing. Like this, you can add a title card to your video. Now I don't want these clips, so I am deleting. And then trim. You can select whatever the part you want to add to this area. And then whatever the area you want to split like this. And here you can see the duration of the clips, and then you can add a text. And here you can see the text styles, the animated text styles and layout. Where you want to keep the text, the layout will help you. And here you can see the motion, 3D effects, filters. And then next, motion. Where you want to add a motion like this. You want to zoom in right, zoom in left, zoom in center. Where you want to do. And then select whatever the area you want to zoom, and then done. And then 3D effects. By using 3D effects, you can add some more effects to this video by using these all or. And then 3D library. And then filters. You can also change the filters to this video. Here you can see the speed of the clip. You can change whatever the speed you want. The background music, and here you can see the custom audio. Custom audio means if you want to add any audio, here you can see the custom audio will help you. And after finishing these all, finish video.